A kei aku iti, kei aku rahi tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai, piki mai kake mai e hoa mā ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. I Whanganui, i a Whanganui Collegiate School, e whai wahi atu ana kia Francis Douglas Memorial College. Kāti koira te pūtātara e te iwi, e mea ana.
Flash a warm welcome to all the Kei Tautoko supporters of both these young teams, and certainly wishing them well as we get underway. 35-minute halves here in Central North Island Rugby. We are underway as the ball goes straight down and into the hands of the big number 7. That's James Olds. You've seen him a little bit as well in previous matches here on Whakata Māori. But as always, it will take just a little bit of settling in as they work out their set pieces. Moiho at the moment at the start of the game. Ball in hand through Jack Lawn. He keeps it alive as well. Chiming in beautifully with a flick offload. Tim Corrigan. They'll be aiming to win the collision and get over the advantage line with this opportunity into the corner. I'm sure they would have wanted it to go out on the far side of the field. Here comes Whanganui Collegiate. Back in possession on the far side. Francis Douglas getting a bit of a roll on at the moment. Confidence building into the hands of Jack Lawn. Keeps it alive through the fullback Corrigan, but there's a knock on as well. Scrambling and jersey pulling, but this time they do get hold of the football. The gap starts to open up. And Francis Douglas driving towards the line. Have they done enough to get there?
Tata tonu Dale, titihi o ngā paumua. Rua mita noiho te tawhiti anei, titihi o ngā paumuri. Rate nama waru tērā. Haere tonu ana te paoro, te pick me te gau. Hatia e teila, taha tūwhera. Anei, a kāta, karo whakaroto me te whana papa o te paoro. Grubber.
Those correction, thanks to Bailey's, Caltex and all the sponsors who helped to bring the action. It is with Francis Douglas Memorial College and Liam Willis, who goes to ground with the football. Searching for it is Taylor. He's got it now in his hands. Taylor flicks it out through Lawn. And now the midfielders just looking to punch a hole in the defence. Whanganui are resolute and hold their ground with their stoic defence midfield at the moment. One against the feed, so clever stuff for Francis Douglas Memorial College. You have the football just their side of halfway. And getting up quickly, this is Corrigan. Like what we're seeing from the fullback, he's driven towards touch and then dragged across the chalk, but the ball has stayed in the field of play. Play on, says the Kaiwa. Wow.
Awesome pictures from our camera operator too. He was Johnny on the spot right there. They did really well to keep the ball in play.
Fed for his safety there for a moment there, boy. And they have really stood up here this afternoon in this mid-table clash. Round 5 of the CNI with the football. Jack Lawn, he smokes it through the middle. Lawn still has it. Pops that pass up. Beautiful half-volley pickup. His teammates come and follow him through. 2 metres out from the try line. And it looks as though they've done enough. Referee will call them back, though.
Me mihi ka tika ki tērā oma.
A gorgeous day in Whanganui today after some pretty rough weather. Big ups to our whananga that's watching in for the top of the South Island, to Tauihu. Been pretty tough. Francis Douglas Memorial College. Whanganui Collegiate climbing nicely. Jack Walls is the best chance in some time. Punching through. Eye on the prize.
Toparua tēnei ko PJ Whaungali. Whaungali, kei reira hoki te tihi atu. E ai ki te hau, te kaiwa wau, te referee kua hikina. Held up.
Kobe Simmons. Onto the 22. This is better. Just taking their time a little bit more, Whanganui Collegiate in this play. Fergus Prouting. Big, strong carry from Prouting. Simmons working right. The double around, but it's been picked up. It's been picked up. The wheels are on.
Wai parahuti uti neko te tekau mā whā, ko Flynn Scott. Koe nei pēr te piro tuatahi. Toru te kau meneti o te wāhanga tuatahi, kua mana hia e te kaiwa wau. He piro, no mai te piro. Ko hoha haere mātou ngā kai mā taki. Locked up at 0-all. Finally, Dale. Kua piro a Whanganui. Mo taku he, a FDMC. Under the post, going to make things a bit easier for the whanatapu.
Memorial College. These two teams mid-table after 4 rounds of the CNI. It's the boys from New Plymouth who have the ball. A dummy and a slice and another dummy doubling up as well. This is Whanganui. What a beautiful run and a double dummy run. Fantastic individual effort from the midfielder, PJ Whanganui. Brilliant.
Ko ia arunga mo te roanga ake o te hawhe tuatahi. Ko ia tetehi tino toki o te kapa.
It's with Scott and Whanganui. But still, we go to the break here in Whanganui. You're watching the CNI round 5 at Francis Douglas Memorial College at the halftime break. Lead Whanganui Collegiate School 14-0.
Being played. Anea Whanganui. Whanganui ki te taha matau I nāne ko te nama waru. E tuku ana I te pāro ki a awhamasanga. Ngari kei reira tonu. Ka tahi te waiwai para huti huti ko ia. Kana piro tua rua tēnei. Ara te hapa. Ka puta mai he piro. By St. Peter's College, Wesley College, Lindisfarne, and the remaining schools hang out in mid to the near end of the table.
Yeah, well, that was a great game the other day, St. Paul's against St. Peter's. Classic, as we see on the rebound now. And wanting to get across the line and give some more respectability to the scoreline. Remember, 2 of them were out of count to the first 5. MΑORI, Cruz MAORI, weaving his magic. It almost gets towards the line. It wouldn't surprise if that was Flynn Scott who made the tackle. It sure was. Outstanding game from the number 14. And not only is he scoring tries, but he's also denying the opponents from scoring them as well. Still in position.
Kei Whanganui I te whira kei reira hoki a FDMC e aukati ana I ngā oma. Ka haere ki hea. Ka noho pūmau ki a MAORI ki te hiku o te tima. Kei reira tonu e te hikai aukati aia. Hea hake tā te kaiwa wao.
Yeah, I'm in agreement with that. Absolutely thought that Rupert Smith got the ball down. He looked up just for that little nod from the referee. But a timely try here and a...
Ko ia ko Jack Walls.
You know, Jack's had a pretty decent game today, but referee just building in frustration as we see another attacking raid here from Whanganui deep in the game.
Olds tērā. Kua ringa raupā mo te roanga ake. Tū hapa ana e tehi atu. We go wide. MAORI. Kei Whanganui te whiro. Whira karo whaka roto me te tukurua o te pauro. Kei a Whanganui tonu. Ngari kāre te tehi e whakawāte ana I te pauro. Te taha poto anō, me te pīki pāhi ki te taha rāno, kua tau te poro ki te taha.
Important kick from wide out now.
Me mihi ka tika ki a putu koro, mo tana whakaro tūwhera ki te pāhi whānui I te pauro. Kei te hoki mai, au ware ake.
No. There we go. Into the middle of the line out. So they have the football. Be wonderful to see Whanganui get across the line here, but well, we've got other things to say about the Francis Douglas Memorial College lads. Again, holding their heads high. On defence. Standout player here today, Scott. Been wonderful on defence with 2 tries as well. His Whanganui Collegiate. We've got plenty of supporters here who want them, willing them across the line here in the last dying moments of this fixture. A couple of runaway tries they're undoing, really, close to the line.
Whanganui te piro whakamutunga. Ko pau te wā ki te referee. Engari, advantage kei te tuara tonu a Whanganui. James Olds tēnei. Ha tahi anō ia ka whai piro. Whanganui, he mea whakamana I te pora. Positive vibes only. Te Maia Wagani Sau choosing to tap and go. Kei reira, Namarima, Oliver Crawford, not letting the ball go to ground. Bueno, e pera ana te otinga atu ko sere mai a wagani sau tera. Kua whai piro I tēnei miniti whakamutunga. O tēnei whakataetai e te iwi Whanganui I a Whanganui Collegiate School.
And looking to add a couple of extra points to the tally. And this one too slides out to the right-hand side of the upright. Hard-earned 21 points to 17 as well. It looked as though FDMC had control when they opened up that two-try advantage in the second half, but Collegiate showed tremendous character to fight their way back into the contest.
Certainly, the final scoreline reflects just how competitive the match was. Whanganui Collegiate pushed right to the end and kept the pressure on until the final whistle. Full credit to both teams where FDMC were clinical when opportunities presented themselves. However, those points proved crucial in the end. Congratulations, e hoa mā kia Francis Douglas Memorial College, kua puta a ihu I tēnei. Whiringa, whakataetai, CNI, Whanganui, 17, Francis Douglas, rua tekau mātahi. Kaua koutou haere tawhiti, he kēmu anō kei mua I te aroaro tātou mau, got tomorrow. Tauranga.